Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here's my tropical look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I was playing with my lighting here because I saw someone show you how you can do the low light video and I still can't figure it out, so it's a work in progress. And also this look didn't come out well. I was only gonna do a orange on my lid and green in my crease, but I ended up doing a whole rainbow look. But anyway, keep watching. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna prime my lids, but yeah, like I said, I was only gonna do green and blue. Green and orange. Damn, I'm getting tongue-tied. And then I was like, oh, I'm missing something. So then I added the color in my crease. And then I said, well, shoot, I got the yellow. Might as well add red and then, purple. So yeah, but overall, I think it came out really cute. And it's perfect for summer. Wanted to show some color for the season. And I got these palettes on the BoxyCharm pop-up sale. Everything was like 65% off. Going back into the colors, blending out my edges and everything, make sure everything's nice and blended. Then I'm going to take this P. Louise base off orange and use that to cut my crease. Why do I make that face when I'm doing this? I don't even realize I'm doing it. Like, ew. I'm going to take this clean brush and I'm blending all the colors together so there's no harsh lines. The lashes I got on Amazon. Basically, I just was looking for different kinds of magnetic lashes. So I'm going to use those ones that got the orange and ombre tips, and I'm just going to apply about 2, maybe 3 coats of liner, and then I'm going to let it dry with my fan before applying the lashes. One thing about these liners is they don't last very long. They get clunky really easily, even though I shake them up like it says, and I threw 2 of them away already. And then I'm gonna add some of this gold glitter liner on top to kind of hide my lash band and to give it a little something something. Because I don't want to put this on after I put my lashes on, because I'll end up getting glitter on my lashes and won't even get a really good straight line. Moving my lashes out of the way with tweezers and making sure that I don't have any liner on my lashes. I have to like peel it off with the tweezers. And then I use my fingers to apply the lashes. I have a hard time doing it with the tweezers, but then I use the tweezers if I'm trying to take off the edge and put it in place so it'll be even. And then I keep moving my lashes out of the way to make sure they're not stuck onto the eyeliner, because sometimes my lashes get stuck to the liner and the lash be in the way. And then I just keep messing with it to make sure it's all the way on and give it a little tug test. Then I'm going to take this last comb and just kind of comb my lashes together, and I'm using my finger to make sure that it's in place so they don't fly away. And now I'm just going to take some black eyeliner by NYX to fill in the inner corner so I don't have a big gap there. And then I'm just going to add this green into my waterline. Then I'm going to take that same orange that I used for my lid shade to smoke out my lower lash line. Taking this brown lip liner by LA Girl, and this MAC lipstick, when I first looked at it I thought it was like a reddish color, but it looks more orangey, so looks can be deceiving. You really don't know what color it's going to be until you actually put it onto your skin. And then I'm going to take this NYX Powder Puff Lippie, pressing hard and apply it on top. I really like these 2 colors together. And I'm going to add some more of the MAC lipstick and go around my lips to kind of hide the lip liner. And there you have it. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!